Ever wondered how many people are actually investing with Stashaway? You know, that popular investment platform everyone's talking about. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Stashaway and uncover the number of customers they actually boast. Stashaway has quickly become a household name in the investment world, offering a user-friendly platform for both seasoned investors and complete beginners. But with all this popularity, a burning question remains: just how many people have actually chosen Stashaway as their investment partner? Now, finding the exact customer count for a private company like Stashaway can be tricky. They don't exactly plaster their customer numbers on billboards. But fear not, we've done some digging and can give you a good idea of their scale. Stashaway has been quite vocal about its growth trajectory. They've mentioned milestones like surpassing a certain number of customers in specific regions or achieving a certain amount of assets under management, AUM. By piecing together these announcements and considering industry trends, we can estimate their customer base. Industry reports and analyst predictions can also shed light on Stashaway's customer growth. These reports often analyze market trends, competitor data, and overall industry performance to estimate the number of customers major players like Stashaway likely have. Keep in mind, these are just estimates. The actual number of Stashaway customers might be higher or lower. However, it gives us a good ballpark figure and provides valuable insights into the company's success and the growing interest in digital investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.